I'm sure you've seen some backstages from big movie sets and the guys with the boom pole with the microphone on top, and this technique is really popular in Hollywood movies, guys. But as you can tell, I'm not wearing heavily a microphone right now because I am recording this audio with a wireless shotgun microphone, Comica VM30, which is right here on a little clamp right on the tree branch. So let's review this microphone, which can transmit audio wirelessly to your camera. Let's go! So right now, guys, let's compare the Comica VM30 wirelessly, which is recorded into the Sony FX30 with the maximum gain on the microphone itself, and the gain in camera is set to approximately 6. And we'll compare it to the Comica VM20, which is plugged in directly into the Sony ZV-E1 with a wire, of course, and the gain is set to maximum on the microphone, so level 10, and in camera we have the level 6. 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check, Comica VM30 wirelessly. 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check, Comica VM20 with a wire into the Sony ZV-E1. And right now, guys, you're hearing the Comica VM30 plugged in directly into the Sony ZV-E1. So 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check, VM30 and the ZV-1 with a wire. 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check. So 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check. And right now, guys, you're hearing the Comica VM30 plugged in directly into the Sony ZV-E1. And right now, guys, you're hearing the Comica VM30 plugged in directly into the Sony ZV-E1. 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check. And this is how the Comica VM30 sounds in my studio, with pretty bad acoustics, as you might have noticed. But here I have it next to the Sennheiser MKE-600. This is the microphone that is 2 times more expensive than the Comica, and the Comica is right here, plugged straight into the Sony ZV-E1 right there. The gain on camera is set to 6, and the gain on the microphone itself is set to the maximum level 10. 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check, Comica microphone. 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check, Sennheiser microphone. And now I have added some voice isolation and limiter sound effect to the Comica, and this is how it sounds when I treat it like I usually do with the Sennheiser microphone in my studio. So this is the audio quality you get. And also, guys, I'd like to mention that I have already reviewed the Comica VM20 microphone versus Rode VideoMic Pro, and I have a review right here and in the description below. In that review, I tested the distance, how far you can go until you hear this mic in a really bad fashion, different angles of this microphone, different features and all that. So if you're interested, you can watch that video after this one. And also, guys, the VM30 is a little bit improved in terms of audio quality, but not a lot, and you have the ability to transmit audio wirelessly with the VM30. Those are the main differences between the VM20 and the VM30. So now let's have a look what you get inside this hard shell case. The case itself, pretty nice, thumbs up for it. And here we have the microphone itself. It's a bit longer than the Comica VM20, the previous model, as you can see right here. Also, we have the shock mount for your camera with a cold shoe and a 1/4 20-inch thread on the bottom. Also, here we have the receiver. It's a pretty small receiver with a cold shoe, and it's super lightweight as well. And also here we have a mount for a standard microphone pole, microphone stand. It's right here, and I'm using the same one right here with the top-down camera because I have 2 of those microphones for the review. So also here we have the Comica pop filter or wind protector 1, and also another dead cat or wind protector number 2. I have a review of those wind protectors, the test of windshields and all that with the Comica VM20 in my review of it versus Rode VideoMic Pro microphone. So here we have different cables. Cable number 1 is TRS for your camera, of course. The next cable is TRRS to TRRS for your smartphones. And also here we have USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable for computer or for a smartphone. And it has an adapter for USB Type-A, and it's a pretty long and pretty cool cable as well. So a very nice kit, and I really enjoy this foam and hard shell case and the foam inside, and you can even remove this foam to get a lot of empty space to store even the wireless microphones if you want to in one
case.
Also guys, you can use this wireless microphone as the microphone for news, like reportage style, and I'm also testing the ZVE1 auto framing feature. It probably does work, as I can see. And what do you think of it, guys? So this is a very comfortable and easy solution for this type of scenarios when you need to use this as a news type of microphone without anything else, without any wireless modules plugging in, just a microphone as is, with a shock mount, etc. And it's super easy to use, really useful feature, love it. Also guys, do not forget that the shotgun microphones, they have a different pattern to an omnidirectional microphone, so it picks the sound from the front most of the time. So 1 2 3 mic check, 1 2 3 mic check. I've turned the microphone sideways. This is the least amount of sound it picks from the sides. And now let's get back to the front, 1 2 3, and now let's get to the bottom part of the microphone, or on the back of the microphone, 1 2 3, as you can hear. And now let's get back to the proper position. So here it is. Keep that in mind while using the shotgun microphones.
So now let's have a look at the microphone itself. It's a really well-made microphone. So here we have the kind of a Wi-Fi symbol for connecting wirelessly with the receiver. Also here we have the safety button as well as the filters button. So if you press and hold, it enables the safety feature, the safety track. One channel will be a normal channel and the other one will be lower for 6 decibels, which is nice, but it only works in wired mode. So you need to plug in the mini jack cable to it to make it work. So if you press this button, you can enable the 75 Hz low cut filter, then the 150, and then the voice enhance, or let me say a low and high frequency cut mode. So also here we have a stepless gain knob right here, pretty nice indication as well. The OLED screen is also a very nice touch, and on the side we have the pairing indicator as well as the output for the mini jack cable and the USB Type-C charging port, as well as the port for digital signal passing through to a computer or to a smartphone, and you can charge simultaneously while using this microphone.
Also guys, let's not forget that the Comica microphone, the VM30, does have 3 different filters. 2 low-cut filters, 75 Hz and 150 Hz, and also a low-cut and a high-cut, let me say, filter, so the high frequencies and the low frequencies. Now let's test all of those. I'll keep silent for a second and then we'll test each of those. So right now guys, you're hearing the microphone without any filtration, so I'll keep silent. 1 2 3 mic check. Now we're at 75 Hz filter. 1 2 3 mic check. Now we're at 150 Hz filter. 1 2 3 mic check. And now we're cutting both low frequencies and high frequencies. 1 2 3 mic check. 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 1 2 3 mic check.
And on the receiver itself we have 2 buttons for adjusting the volume from -12 to +12 dB. Also here we can see the indicator for the battery life. Also you can mute with this button right here and you can see that it's muted. Also we can see the pairing status, the USB Type-C for charging, and you can charge it simultaneously while working. Also on top we have the headphone jack, which is always nice, and the output as well. So it's a pretty straightforward little receiver, and here is the clip mount or a cold shoe mount for your camera.
And now guys, it's time to test the range of this system. I'm not really expecting a pretty high and big range of this system because it's 2.4 GHz and the transmitter is built into the microphone itself. But nevertheless, let's test it out. So I'm not blocking the signal with my body as for now, and I'd like to go a bit farther away, like 15 meters probably would be fine. 1 2 3 mic check. 1 2 3 mic check. So we're at about 15 meters away. Let's turn around, so I'm blocking the signal with my body right now, and let's get back once again. I'm not blocking the signal with my body right now. So let's get further, but right now I'm turning with my back towards the receiver, so it is having some troubles, I think, because I am blocking the signal with a pretty furry coat and all that. So let's turn around. So here I am at about 35 to 40 meters away from my camera, maybe like 35 more or less. 1 2 3 mic check, and turn around. 1 2 3 mic check. and turn around once again. So what do you think, guys? Is it enough for you? If it does work like so with a line of sight, it's more than fine to me, because I don't think that you'll be using this system like farther than 30 meters away from your subject. And I like how people react to my two cameras standing right there. So what do you think? Please drop a comment down below, guys.
And by the way, guys, I had a shoot where I needed this boom pole and the shotgun microphone because there was no way to handle the lavalier microphone. It was not allowed to be in the shot, and I was changing the locations a lot, and it was much easier to do with this system, but it didn't exist at this moment. So I used the Deity D4 Mini microphone with my carbon fiber tripod as a boom pole. And I also used the Rode Wireless Go system to be able to record this in such fashion, but with this Comica VM30 it could have been much easier.
And guys, as far as the battery life goes, if you plug this microphone into the camera with a 3.5mm mini jack, you can expect up to 50 hours of battery life from a full charge of this microphone. You can also charge it simultaneously with a USB Type-C, but if you transmit audio with this microphone and you use the receiver, you do a wireless connection, you can expect up to 7 hours of battery life, which is approximately the same as most of the systems of wireless microphones. But if you also purchase a separate adapter for the XLR, so mini jack to XLR cable, you can expect up to 8 to 10 hours of battery life, which is also not that bad for this type of microphone. So as far as the battery life goes, it's more than fine, especially if you use it plugged in. But as a wireless microphone, it's just a regular wireless microphone, as you can expect.
So what about the prices, guys? Comica VM20 without wireless transmission is a bit more than 100 bucks. Great pricing for this good sounding microphone. And I've been using it for more than half a year as my main shotgun microphone, by the way. No complaints whatsoever. So the Comica VM30 is $170. It's a bit more expensive, of course, but you get this wireless transmission system, an extra holder for the microphone stand, and all in all, great sounding microphone as well. And to compare the prices, the Rode VideoMic Pro is $300 without a dead cat, even more with the dead cat, and my Sennheiser MKE-600 is $350+, but you need phantom power for it and extra devices to be able to record with this microphone. So guys, to conclude, for this price tag, I don't see major issues with the Comica VM20 and the VM30 microphones. So if you are in the market and looking for a good shotgun microphone and you do know why you need a shotgun microphone, please guys pay attention to the Comica mics, because bang for buck, it's one of the best deals on the market as for now. So if you did enjoy this video, please smash the like and subscribe buttons and hit the notifications bell. And right here, I'll leave you a video of Comica VM20 microphone versus Rode VideoMic Pro with a lot of different tests and comparisons, so you'll learn even more about those two mics. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.